Liza is in a lunging position with her arm resting on the wall. Her spinal alignment is fairly neutral, and it's actually keeping in line with her rear leg. Liza is going to start rotating the weight in a clockwise direction, and she's going to do 15 repetitions. Then she's going to reverse the weight in a counterclockwise format for 15 repetitions. We want the total time to be about 1 minute, so we're just going to keep doing 15 repetitions until we hit that number. Then we'll take a little break from this exercise. If it's part of your workout, we'll do a different one and come back to it afterwards. Or if it's a standalone exercise at home, which it's very convenient for, you'll just take a little 1 minute break or so.